Hello, my dear kids. This is Shoma ma'am. Kids, hope you all are happy at your home. Yes, that's great. So, kids, today we will practice capital letter S and capital letter T. For that, you have to open your English capital letters book, page number 54. 54. Okay? Now look at this picture. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. This is capital letter S. This is capital letter S. And what is this? Oh, it's a snowman. And this snowman loves to eat strawberries. So kids, S is for snowman. S is for strawberry. S is for shark. S is for sheep. S is for snail. Now kids, look at this blue color S. And using your pencil, circle all the blue color S. Okay? So let's start from here. S is for strawberry. S is for snowman. S is for shark. S is for sheep. S is for snail. Now kids, using your finger, trace the letter S. Okay? Start from the snowman and helps the snowman to reach to the strawberry. See like curve, turn to your left and complete the curve. This is capital letter S. Very good, kids. Now come to the next page. Page number 55. Now look at this. Yes, this is capital letter S. And now it's time to trace and write the letter S. So kids, take your crayon and write on dots. Start from this blue dot. See like curve and turn to your left and make a curve. S. This is capital letter S. This is capital letter S. And it's done. Now take your pencil and write here. Start from this dot, okay? Make a C-like curve, turn to your left and make this curve, okay? This way, write in all the boxes, okay? This is capital letter S. This is capital letter S. Very good, kids. Now it's time for fun. Look at this picture, kids. Wow! So many animals are waiting for ship. Okay? They want to go in this ship. Now, first tell me the animal's name of these animals. Okay? What is this? Tell me. Yes, this is an elephant. What is this? It's an elephant. And look at this pouch. Who is he? Yes, you are right. Kangaroo. This is a dog. And this one, tell me. Yes, you are right. Sheep. And it's a snail. And in water, who is he? Yes, you are right. It's a starfish. And this one is shark. Now you have to match the animals whose name begins with S. Like shark. So match it. Starfish. S is for starfish. S is for snail. S is for sheep. Dog. S is for dog. Is it right? No, it's wrong. D is for dog. So we can't take the dog. K is for kangaroo. So we can't take him. E is for elephant. So we can't take the elephant in this ship. Okay? S is for starfish. S is for snail. S is for sheep. S is for shark. Okay? So match these 4 animals only. Now come to the next page. This is capital letter T. Very good, kids. This is capital letter T. T is for turtle. T is for turnip. T is for telephone. T is for tiger. T is for tree. Now first, all of you circle all the purple colored T. Start from here. T is for turtle. T is for turnip. T is for telephone. T is for tiger. T is for tree. Now all of you using your finger trace the letter T. Sleeping line, and from middle or from center draw a standing line. Sleeping line, and from top to down standing line. This is capital letter T. Very good, kids. Now come to the next page, page number 57. And look at this, kids. Yes, you are right. This is capital letter T. Now it's time for trace and write the letter T. So kids, take your crayon and trace the letter T. Okay? Start from this green dot. First draw the sleeping line, and from middle draw standing line. This is capital letter T. Sleeping line, standing line. This way you have to write on dots. This is capital letter T. This is capital letter T. Now kids, take your pencil and write on these blank boxes, okay? Same way. First you have to draw a sleeping line, and from middle draw a standing line. T. This is capital letter T. This is capital letter T. Very good, kids. Now come to this picture. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it's a tent. What is this? It's a tent. And look at the inside of this tent. What is this? It's a TV. And what is this? It's a telephone. And look at this banana. And I think this is a strawberry cake or pastry, and all are on the table. What is this? It's a table. Now you have to make tick or write on the circles. Okay? on the things which are begins with the letter T. Okay, so start from here. Table. Yes, T is for table. T is for telephone. T is for TV. Very good, kids. Very good, kids. Now move for the next page. And look at this picture. Wow! What is this? Crowns. Yes, these all are crowns. Can you tell me who is she? Yes, you are right. She is a queen. But where is her crown? Can you find? Let's search her crown. Is it her crown? No, this is S crown and queen's crown is Q crown. So where is Q? Search here. Yes, this is Q. So match the Q crown with queen like this. Now this is T crown. And what is this? Yes, it's a tiger. So tiger likes to wear T crown. And tell me, what is this? Green color? Yes, it's a snake. S is for snake. So where is S? Yes, here. So match it. S is for snake. And what is this? Yes, this is a rabbit. What is this? Rabbit. R is for rabbit. And where is R? Yes, you are right. This is R. So match the R with rabbit. Very good, kids. Complete these all things in your book. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.